Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this birthday card for my husband. I used the paper stack, Tim Holtz Ideology Paper Stash Retro Grunge, and also my favorite things, Dynamics. Now I'm going to cut my paper into 5 by 10 actually, because when I fold my cardstock, it will end up a size 5'7", so I'm cutting it by 5 by 10. I cut the base of the card. Now what I'm going to do is to score the base of the card, so I will end it up with a 5 by 7. Decided to use this stupendous pop-up stages dies for this card. I believe this is only my second pop-up card video, so I'm still not familiar with how the pop-up dies works, so I'm still in the process of figuring it out still. One thing I noticed using a pop-up dies is you need to use a really thick paper because you know, the folding that you need to do, the scoring that the pop-up dies that you need to follow is easily can rip, which you're gonna see in this video what I'm talking about. So I added another pop-up die, and you will see here what I'm talking about earlier, that the paper will get ripped easily, so you really need to use a thicker cardstock. And so when I saw like the paper got ripped, I was like, oh no, I have to do it all over again. And then I figured it out, oh, I can use tape. So that's another thing where you can do if you have this kind of situation. Just use tape and it works. And just make sure just hide it really good, since I'm gonna cover that anyway. So yeah, so it solved my problem in a way, and so you don't have to do it all over again and waste another paper or cardstock, you know. I'm happy with the pop-ups that I created, and now I am ready to adhere this onto my card base. It's kind of hard to put glue on a tiny piece of paper, and at the same time you are trying to film a video fast as you can. So it's a little hard. As you can see, I'm a little bit struggling there, but I am determined to finish it through. As you can see there, I used a tacky glue, but I could have used a score tape. It would have been easier, but at that moment I'm only focusing on one glue in this video, so I didn't even bother to get my score tape. But score tape will be easier if you have it. You can see there I'm struggling a little bit because the paper won't stick because the glue is still wet. So that is why it's better to use a score tape or a different kind of adhesive or something.